Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back and make sure to subscribe to the channel for daily updates. So we have received our very first renders of the Galaxy Fold 2, or more likely it's not the Fold 2 but the Fold 2 Lite variant. The website said that it's Fold 2 but it looks more or less like the Fold 2 Lite. The renders are courtesy of PigTou and XLeak7. XLeak7 has a small but accurate track record of leaks. So then this is it. First of all, man, this outside display. Like we have seen in some past Samsung patents, this teeny display is actually indeed coming to real customers. This teeny display will be able to show time, date, notification and stuff like that, but do not expect it to do anything more than that. For every useful thing you do, you have to open the phone. Also, I know that this outer display is really useless, but somehow I dig this look of the small strip display. It's not every day we see such kind of displays. Yes, form over function indeed, but this looks nice and different. Some of that has to do with this nice copper color. Then we have the proximity sensor and what could be a selfie camera and an earpiece. The selfie camera isn't useful because no one in their right mind is gonna take selfies on this display. So Samsung saved the money from the selfie camera and put it somewhere else where it's actually useful. At the back we have triple cameras and a flashlight. Samsung branding once again is on the hinge. We do get dual speakers, one on top, one on bottom and then a USB Type-C slot on the bottom. On the right side we have the fingerprint scanner and the volume rockers. Then on the top there's a dedicated power button. It's sad to see that the power button is not integrated with the fingerprint scanner. On the left side there's an interesting new feature. This button looks like an alert slider, similar to the ones found on OnePlus devices. I know that Apple and OnePlus fans are super crazy about their alert sliders, and other smartphone users are like, what the hell is that thing for, dude? Now more of us could get to enjoy the alert slider. It should be coming to more phones. No, seriously, how is this not a mainstream feature yet? Like, even Apple embraced Android features in the iOS 14, so it's about time we make alert sliders a common thing. Come on guys, am I wrong? When the phone is opened, we have a similar size display as it was on the original Galaxy Fold, even a similar size notch. The bezels are a little bit smaller, so we are progressing in the right direction. The hinge is also slightly changed with hollow area underneath the folding space. Somewhat like the Motorola Razr when the display can go inside the frame to reduce that initial crease. For now, that's it about the Galaxy Fold 2 or perhaps the Fold 2 Lite. On to the Watch 3. We have gotten a lot of new images of the Watch 3, this time from TechTalkTv. The UI of the watch is almost unchanged from like past 5 years, but hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. We have dual physical buttons on the side for various functions. They stick out more compared to the original Galaxy Watch, which makes them easy to click, but they look perhaps a bit less sexy. Two sizes will be available of 41 and 45 inches, dude, and featuring Gorilla Glass DX for protection. I'm personally not a watch person, they make my hand quite uncomfortable, but I'm willing to give this watch a try just because I love that rotating dial so much. The rotating dial is worth sweaty wrists, especially during the fucking hot Indian summers. Let me know guys your thoughts about the Galaxy Fold 2 or the Fold 2 Lite design. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, follow me over on Twitter, and guys, pew pew, thanks for watching.